Greetings, esteemed viewers, and welcome back to another insightful session at Investment Edge, your ultimate destination for comprehensive insights into the world of cryptocurrencies. In today's episode, we're embarking on a profound journey, delving into the intricate and ever-evolving landscape of digital currencies. Our focus today is squarely on Pepe coin, a cryptocurrency that has been creating ripples within the crypto community. If you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to ensure you're well informed with the latest updates from the dynamic and fast-paced world of crypto. Now, let's embark on an exploration of the multifaceted and fascinating tapestry that is Pepe coin. As of February 17, 2024, Pepe coin stands out with a trading value of $0.00000151. It's crucial to recognize that the cryptocurrency market is inherently dynamic, with prices subject to real-time fluctuations. Therefore, stay engaged as we navigate through the diverse and intriguing realms that Pepe coin unfolds before us. Venturing deeper into our comprehensive analysis, Pepe coin currently stands resilient at $0.00000151, manifesting a discernible 1.89% change within the preceding 24 hours. Now, it's imperative to unravel the layers of this shift and explore its implications within the broader market context. Join us as we embark on an insightful journey, delving into the key statistics that hold the key to a comprehensive understanding of Pepe coin's current trajectory. Pepe coin has undeniably seized the attention of discerning individuals within the vast expanse of the crypto community, prompting a fundamental question: what precisely is Pepe coin? Our expedition into the intricacies of this unique cryptocurrency will not only unveil its core purpose but also delve into its lofty goals and introduce you to the dedicated team propelling this innovative project forward. If you find the revelations and insights shared here valuable, be sure to express your appreciation by giving this video a resounding thumbs up, marking the initiation of our journey into unraveling the captivating mysteries encapsulated within Pepe coin. Now, directing our focus to the market capitalization of Pepe coin, we find it firmly anchored at $484,305,483, a financial stronghold securing its place at a commendable number 124 in the cryptocurrency hierarchy. The 24-hour trading volume stands as a testament to Pepe coin's active market presence, boasting a substantial $90,327,321 and securing a noteworthy rank at number 71. Adding another layer to this financial narrative, the volume to market cap ratio over the preceding 24 hours registers at 29.55%, offering a snapshot that vividly captures Pepe coin's liquidity within the market. As we continue our expedition through the intricate details of Pepe coin, stay tuned for more enlightening revelations and a deeper understanding of its position within the dynamic landscape of the cryptocurrency market. The backbone of any successful crypto project lies in its development team, and Pepe coin is no exception. We'll be taking a closer look at the individuals steering Pepe coin, assessing their experience, and understanding why their expertise matters for potential investors. Stay tuned to gain insights into how a robust and capable team can significantly influence the trajectory of a cryptocurrency. Now, let's navigate the intricate terrain of token supply within the Pepe coin ecosystem. At present, a substantial sum of 420,689,899,999,995 Pepe tokens gracefully circulates within the crypto sphere, contributing a noteworthy 18.66% to the overall market cap. This forms an integral part of the grander total supply, encapsulating a staggering 420,689,899,999,995 Pepe tokens, emblematic of the entirety of the market. Importantly, the maximum supply cap for Pepe coin stands firm at 420,690,000,000,000 Pepe tokens, marking the upper echelon of its token issuance. Venturing further into the depths of our exploration, we set our sights on Pepe coin's compelling use case and the technology that underpins its existence. In this leg of our journey, we pose fundamental questions. Does Pepe coin harbor the potential to address tangible real-world challenges, or is it merely riding the speculative wave that characterizes the crypto landscape? The answers to these queries lie in our meticulous investigation, where we will unearth the intricacies of Pepe coin's use case and meticulously scrutinize the technological foundations that propel its very existence. As we unravel the layers of Pepe coin's narrative, we encourage you, our esteemed audience, to actively engage with this content. If you find our insights and revelations captivating and informative, consider sharing this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Your support fuels our ongoing exploration, providing a platform for deeper insights and understanding within the dynamic realm of cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned as we continue this journey of discovery, uncovering the nuanced facets that define Pepe Coin's presence in the ever-evolving landscape of the crypto market. For those seeking a broader perspective, the fully diluted market cap for Pepe Coin stands at $483,217,590. Community engagement and adoption are crucial components of a coin's success. In our analysis, we'll assess the level of engagement Pepe Coin has within its community and evaluate its adoption rate. Don't forget to drop your thoughts on Pepe Coin and any other projects you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Liquidity plays a pivotal role in the crypto market, impacting price stability and the ease of trading. We'll examine how Pepe Coin is performing on various exchanges and discuss potential risks associated with investing in this coin. Feel free to share your own experiences with cryptocurrency liquidity in the comments, your insights are invaluable. Staying abreast of regulatory developments is imperative in the crypto space. We'll touch upon the regulatory environment surrounding Pepe Coin and delve into the security measures in place to safeguard both investors and the project itself. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, consider showing your support by hitting that like button. As we wrap up our exploration, we'll address the inherent risks associated with cryptocurrency investments. From market volatility to strategic planning, we'll provide key takeaways to prepare potential investors for their journey into the crypto sphere. Now, let's turn our attention to a comparative analysis, bringing Shiba Inu Coin into the spotlight. As of the same date, Shiba Inu Coin is valued at $0.0000095555, showcasing a discernible 2.70% change within the past 24 hours. However, what sets it apart is the significantly higher market capitalization, standing impressively at $5,630,875,018, thereby securing a commendable position at number 17 in the cryptocurrency hierarchy. The 24-hour trading volume for Shiba Inu Coin is equally noteworthy, reaching $157,131,948 and earning it a respectable rank at number 47. Delving into the token supply dynamics, Shiba Inu boasts a circulating supply of 589,289,908,670,815 SHIB, constituting 2.80% of its market capitalization. This circulating supply is derived from a grander total supply of 589,534,319,997,468 SHIB. It's also crucial to consider the fully diluted market cap for Shiba Inu, which stands at $5,633,467,626. This metric provides insights into the potential market capitalization if all Shiba Inu tokens were in circulation. The stark contrast in these metrics between Pepe Coin and Shiba Inu Coin underscores the diverse dynamics within the crypto landscape. As we navigate through these details, stay tuned for a deeper understanding of the implications and factors influencing the positions of these cryptocurrencies in the ever-evolving cryptocurrency market. Now, let's delve into the unique characteristics of each coin. Pepe Coin, with its focus on memes and a dynamic market presence, has caught the attention of the crypto community. On the other hand, Shiba Inu Coin, often referred to as the Dogecoin killer, has gained immense popularity, boasting a large and dedicated community. In terms of community sentiment, both coins have enthusiasts discussing potential price movements and market trends on social media platforms. Notable figures and news outlets are also actively covering the developments in both the Pepe Coin and Shiba Inu ecosystems. Interestingly, Shiba Inu has a higher trading volume compared to Pepe Coin, reflecting a robust market presence. Additionally, Shiba Inu holds a significant position in watchlists, indicating a strong interest from investors. As we navigate the crypto landscape, it's crucial to recognize the unique features, community dynamics, and market trends that differentiate these meme coins. Whether you're a Pepe enthusiast or a Shiba Inu supporter, staying informed about the latest developments is key to making informed investment decisions. Both Pepe Coin and Shiba Inu have their unique characteristics, and the decision to invest depends on various factors, including your investment goals, risk appetite, and market analysis. Now, let's delve into a comparative exploration, shining a spotlight on Shiba Inu Coin to draw nuanced distinctions. As of the same date, Shiba Inu Coin unfolds its narrative at a valuation of $0.00000955, unfurling a narrative of a discernible 2.70% change within the preceding 24 hours. However, what sets Shiba Inu apart is the commanding presence of a significantly higher market capitalization, standing impressively at $5,630,875,018, thereby securing a commendable position at number 17 in the expansive hierarchy of cryptocurrencies. The vibrancy of its market presence is further emphasized by a noteworthy 24-hour trading volume, reaching $157,131,948, and earning it a distinguished rank at number 47. Navigating through the intricate dynamics of token supply, Shiba Inu proudly boasts a circulating supply of 589,289,908,670,815 SHIB, contributing 2.80% to its market capitalization. This circulating supply emanates from a grander total supply of 589,534,319,997,468 SHIB, adding layers to the narrative of token issuance and utilization. Beyond the immediate metrics, it's essential to consider the fully diluted market cap for Shiba Inu, a metric that offers insights into the potential market capitalization if all Shiba Inu tokens were in active circulation. As we draw comparisons between Pepe coin and Shiba Inu coin, these intricate details underline the diverse and dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency landscape. This narrative invites us to explore deeper into the implications, factors, and distinct characteristics influencing the respective positions of these cryptocurrencies in the continuously evolving and complex cryptocurrency market. And that's a wrap for today's deep dive into Pepe coin. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your crypto community, and subscribe for more content on the latest happenings in the crypto world. Thanks for joining us on Investment Edge, and until next time, happy investing.